1810. Spain is in chaos. Napoleon's armies have invaded the Iberian Peninsula, and the once mighty Spanish Empire begins to fracture. Across the Atlantic, in the port city of Buenos Aires, the people sense an opportunity. On May 25, thousands gather before the Cabildo. Tension thickens the air. They are not just demanding reforms, they want freedom. Inside, local leaders like Juan José Castelli, Manuel Belgrano, and Mariano Moreno argue fiercely. And then history changes. The viceroy is deposed. The Primera Junta is born, Argentina's first revolutionary government. The May Revolution ignites the flame of independence. But Spain does not let go easily. Royalist armies mobilize in the north. Civil war spreads across the region. Patriots face not only foreign resistance, but internal divisions, federalists and centralists, conservatives and liberals all struggling to define what Argentina should become. In 1812, General Belgrano creates the national flag, sky blue and white, raising it for the first time near the Paraná River. That same year, he leads exhausted troops to victory in the Battle of Tucumán, halting the advance of Spanish forces. A year later, another triumph at the Battle of Salta. Morale soars. The dream of liberty seems real. But dreams must be made law. In 1816, representatives from the United Provinces of the Rio de la Plata gather in the dusty city of Tucumán. On July 9, they signed the Acta de la Independencia, formally declaring Argentina free from Spanish rule. It is a daring act, treason in the eyes of Spain, but destiny in the eyes of the patriots. Yet one man sees the bigger picture, José de San Martin. In 1817, he leads one of the most daring military maneuvers in history, the crossing of the Andes. Over 5,000 men scale frozen peaks and treacherous terrain to surprise the enemy from behind. By 1818, the Spanish forces are crushed at the Battle of Maipú. Argentina is secured, but San Martin marches on to liberate Chile, then Peru. And so, a colony becomes a country. Born from revolution, baptized in war, Argentina rises not by decree, but by the courage of its people who dared to believe in a land of their own, and who chose liberty over obedience, sovereignty over submission. This was the Argentine War of Independence, 1810 to 1818. A struggle, a nation born.